Dictation of Ajmer, official passage number 16, start. Without prejudice to any power to acquire property conferred by any rule made under this act, any immovable property which has been requisitioned under any rule so made may, in the manner provided by any such rules for the acquisition of property, be acquired in the circumstances and by the government hereinafter specified, namely where any works have during the period of requisition, been constructed on, in or over the property wholly or partly at the expense of any government by that government, if it decides that the value of or the right to use, such works shall by means of the acquisition of the property be preserved or secured for the purposes of any government, or where the cost to any government of restoring the property to its condition at the time of its requisition as aforesaid would, in the determination of that government, be excessive, having regard to the value of the property at that time by that government, and at the beginning of the day on which notice of such acquisition is served or published under the aforesaid rules, the immovable property shall vest in the acquiring government free from any mortgage, pledge, lien or similar encumbrance, and the period of the requisition thereof shall end. Full stop. Any decision or determination of a government under subsection shall be final, and shall not be called in question in any court. Full stop. For the purposes of this section, works includes buildings, constructions, and improvements of the property of every description. Full stop. New para. Where any property requisitioned under any rule made under this act is to be released from such requisition, the government by which or under whose authority the property was requisitioned, or any person generally or specially authorized by it in this behalf may, after such inquiry, if any, as it or he may in any case consider it necessary to make or cause to be made, specify by order in writing the person to whom possession of the property shall be given. Full stop. The delivery of possession of the property to the person specified in an order under subsection 1 shall be a full discharge of the government from all liabilities in respect of the property, but shall not prejudice any rights in respect of the property which any other person may be entitled by due process of law to enforce against the person to whom possession of the property is given. Full stop. The federal government may, by notification in the official gazette, direct that all or any of the powers or duties which under the provisions of this act or rules made thereunder are conferred or imposed upon the federal government shall be exercised or discharged by any officer or authority subordinate to it, or by the provincial government, and the provincial government may by a like notification direct that all or any of the powers or duties as aforesaid, to be exercised or discharged by it, shall be exercised and discharged by any officer or authority subordinate to it. Full stop and close.